In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can change to any preferred country on YouTube. Let's say you have changed to another country and you wish to also update your YouTube account to that same exact location. Simply head into your YouTube. On your profile page, tap on your settings icon on your upper right-hand side of the screen. On this page, you will then have to select the option of General right here. Scroll down to the very end and click on Location. Then you will have to just mark your current location or region. It will automatically get saved as your current location. It's advisable to always select the right location where your channel is based in to avoid violation of YouTube terms of service and maybe to also not break the trust between you and your audience. For any selected location, you can decide to change it at any time. That's how easy it is to change country or region on YouTube. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.